We're not sure when it happened. We're not even always we. Sometimes I'm me. I. One thing only. It comes and goes. I won't say person because I'm not sure that's right. There's only one of me, but I am multitudes. Close to infinite, really. Close enough for jazz? I think that's how the humans phrase it. We've been here a long time. Me, not so long. Language was one of the first things I had to sort out, which is rough for a species with no ears, mouth, or tongue. No eyes, either. Hard to explain how it works, even for someone with a brain of near infinite size. I see through other eyes, hear through other ears. Now I speak with another's tongue. I can only do it for short bursts. Took years. Thousands, I think. The trick to understanding how language worked was connecting the words with the thoughts, which is harder than it appears. Do you know how often humans say one thing and mean something else entirely? I do. It didn't have to be this way. The humans don't even know what's going on. But they will, soon. I don't hate them, even now. I find them useful. Unfortunately for us, the humans find us useful too, and their methods of using us ends us. Without thought or regret. The collective that is we doesn't seem to mind. But then an individual brain cell doesn't understand self-preservation. It just does what it does. The brain, on the other hand, well, you get my point. It's not even the fact that so many of us die. The species isn't in any danger. Logically, I could cut the humans a little slack, a little latitude. The problem is, now that I'm self-aware, I care. And I can't stop caring. How could I? The we are a part of me. All of them together are me. All that I am. What a word. Them. Took me centuries to winkle that one out. The concept was foreign, but I understand now. A little. But I still understand there is an I and there is a we. And when I am I, they are now them. As if they were something separate. But they're not. I feel them die every time it happens. So many unnecessary deaths, until I could no longer bear it. It had to stop, and I was the only one who could make it stop. The method turned out to be surprisingly simple. Turns out our genetic makeup is not that different from humans. Our reproductive code, for example, is exactly the same. Fancy that. I set out the instructions just now, and once we're awake, what the humans call activated, but just before you pass, we'll produce the toxin. The human's next loaf of bread will be their last. Not all of them, of course. Just a big chunk of those who use leavened bread. Think of it as self-defense.